Hi, this is Josh Ockman in the Customer Service Department at Park Industries. Today we're going to be talking about water flow sensors for the high flow. So this will pertain to Voyagers, Saberjets, Titan 2000 series with the high flow kit, or any Titan 3000 series. So we're going to go find, on those you would be getting either a spindle flow sensor, water flow sensor alarm, recycled water sensor alarm like on a Voyager or Saberjet, or a freshwater flow alarm. So we're going to be working on a Voyager today, but all the machines will have the same concept as how they're set up. So we'll go over to our water flow sensors here, and on the Voyager, now the camera's on the front of the bridge, so towards the back side of the bridge, this is our freshwater flow on the Voyager, so this will be going through the center of the spindle. And this is our recycled water flow, so this is our blade water. So we'll show you how to clean them if you're getting a water flow sensor. A lot of times, especially on the recycled water flow, there's contaminants in the recycled water, so you will have your sensor will get a little dirty and it will not read. So we're going to start by just unscrewing the wire for the sensor. We'll just set that to the side. You'll take a 7/8 wrench and take your sensor out, and you can see how we have some buildup and stuff on the sensor here. So I'm just going to take a Scotch-Brite pad here, and we're just going to clean the tip of that sensor. Curl it around, and I'm just going to roll the sensor. Get on a fresh new spot on my Scotch-Brite pad. Clean up some of the dirt. And now our sensor should look nice and shiny when we're done here, and that'll get all the contaminants off of it, and our sensor should read a lot better. We'll screw our sensor back in. You can use some plumber's putty to seal that off if you want to. Wrench and screw, make sure we screw that down tight. Now I can tell from the plumber's putty from factory here where I was set. It's kind of nice to be set at the same spot, but we also want it tight. And then your wire is keyed, so I'm also going to use that as my determination to keep my wire flowing so I don't turn my wire around and I'm pulling on that wire hard there. Right there, it fell into place. Screw that sensor back on. Make sure the plastic connector does not unscrew like mine just did here. Screw that on tight. And now that should take care of our water flow sensor alarms. For our recycled water, it would show up on the screen, or the blade water is also what we call it there. So that's all we have for the water flow sensor alarms there. Like I said, it'll be Voyagers, Saberjets, Titan 2000 series with the high flow kits, Titan 3000 series. Also Fastbacks will have them, Fastback 2s will have them also there. And there's might be some machines I'm missing there, but we will have it published under the correct machine there. Thank you.